Hey guys, welcome back. What I am about to show you today took me months to figure out, but you are going to learn it in the next 5 minutes. I'm super excited to share this with you because it has the potential to change the way you think about crypto airdrops. So let's get started. I've been in the crypto space for a while now, and I've tried my fair share of airdrops. Some have been successful while others have been total failures. But I've never given up because I know that there are legitimate opportunities out there. And today, I want to share one of those opportunities with you. As you can see from my withdrawal screenshot, I've earned over $150 from airdrops in the past. Now I know what you're thinking. How did I do it? And more importantly, can you do it too? The answer is yes, and I'm about to show you exactly how. So let's start with the basics. What are airdrops? Simply put, airdrops are free distributions of cryptocurrency tokens to a large number of wallet addresses. They're usually done by new projects to generate buzz and get people excited about their token. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but isn't this just free money? Well, not exactly. While airdrops can be a great way to get free tokens, they're not always as straightforward as they seem. You see, most airdrops require you to complete certain tasks, such as following the project's social media accounts, joining their Telegram group, or even referring friends. Now pay close attention here because this changed everything for me. I used to think that airdrops were just a way for projects to dump their tokens on unsuspecting users. But then I discovered the power of Solana Airdrops using the OKX Wallet. It's a game changer. So let's get started with the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download and install the OKX Wallet. This is a straightforward process, and you can find the wallet on the official OKX website. Step 2. Create a new wallet and make sure to save your seed phrase in a safe place. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, as this can compromise your wallet's security. Step 3. Head over to the Solana network and find the airdrop you're interested in. Make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully, and only participate in airdrops that you're comfortable with. Step 4. Complete the required tasks, such as following the project's social media accounts or referring friends. Now here are some pro tips to improve your eligibility for airdrops. First, make sure to use a reputable wallet like OKX. Second, always read the terms and conditions carefully before participating in an airdrop. And third, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, I want to talk about some common mistakes to avoid. First, never participate in an airdrop that asks for upfront payment. This is a clear red flag, and you should avoid it at all costs. Second, never share your seed phrase with anyone, as this can compromise your wallet's security. And third, always verify the official links and social media accounts of the project before participating in an airdrop. Now let's talk about proof and risk check. As I mentioned earlier, I've earned over $150 from airdrops in the past. But I want to show you exactly how I did it. Here's a bank transfer screenshot that shows the withdrawal of $400 from an airdrop. Now I know what you're thinking. How can I get started with airdrops safely? The answer is simple. Always verify official links, never share your seed phrase, and avoid any airdrop that asks for upfront payment. And most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. So that is my complete airdrop playbook. I have been using this exact strategy for months, and I have never had a withdrawal fail. The link to join is in the description below. It is free, it works, and you can start today. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss my next video where I reveal even more crypto earning strategies. See you there.